Hello, my name is Natsuko Ito, and I will be reporting on Investigation 12. So I'm going to start out by going over the today's weather maps for the week. Starting with Sunday, March 22nd, you can see that there was a stationary front in the interior of Alaska, which is shown right here, with fog in the northern to eastern regions of the state, which is shown by all these little equal signs. There was also rain and snow showers along the Alaska Peninsula and an occluded front toward the southern part of the state, right here. There was also a low pressure system moving with a occluded front and a high pressure system to the northeast of the state. For Monday, the 23rd, the northern portion of the state remains cloudy with a high pressure system across the entire state. There was some fog in the northern region with a trough along the Alaska Peninsula, which is shown right here. The colored area shows snow and rain showers. For Tuesday, the 24th, you can see a trough on the eastern side of the state with another trough along the peninsula. So these two right here. The interior and the majority of the state remains clear. There was a high pressure system to the west in Canada and some rain along the southern portion of the state and along the southeast, with a occluded front, which is right here, and there was a warm front here and a cold front right here. For Wednesday, the 25th, you can see that there was a change in the weather pattern from the previous day. The gray area indicates clouds, which moved into the interior with a stationary front, which is a boundary between warm and cold air that has little or no movement. And the occluded front is moving closer to the state with a low pressure system along the interior, which is right here. So for Thursday, the 26th, you can see that the majority of the state is cloudy, and the occluded front has moved further north toward the state, which is shown right here. There is a cold front along the southeast of Alaska, and rain all along the southern part of the state, which is accompanied by a low pressure system. You can also see that there is a trough in the central area of the state, with some snow showers along the northeast side. And for Friday, the 27th, there is a trough all along the southwest side of the state, accompanied by a low pressure system. There is also rain all along the southern portion of the state and fog to the north. So this shows the rain, and this is the fog. And for Saturday, March 28th, you can see that the interior managed to be mostly cloudless, with thick clouds in the surrounding areas. It also looks like there was some snow and freezing rain just south of the Fairbanks area, which is shown right here. There was also a trough, a boundary of low pressure to the south of Fairbanks, which is shown here. And there was also an occluded front moving further into the state, which was bringing a lot of rain showers, so all along here. And for Sunday the 30th, you can see a trough in the south central area of Alaska, accompanied by some rain showers and fog. There is also a low pressure system along the southwest and fog and high pressure system to the north of the state. So overall, all the methods had the same fail rate as each other. There was a total of 6 failed weather observations in each method, but the NWS forecast used for Table 4A had the highest amount of accurate scores, which is displayed in Table 4C. The region that showed the most accuracy were Dillingham, Kenai, and Dead Horse. The weather relies on geographic locations, which can cause the weather to fluctuate and change more often than other places. High pressure systems are usually accompanied by good weather, whereas low pressure systems are accompanied by precipitation and other bad weather such as wind and drastic temperature changes, which can all alter the weather fairly quickly. So next, focusing on the southwestern stations, specifically looking at Bethel, Dillingham, and Kenai, you can see that the temperature had slight increases since they were surrounded by a occluded front which brought in the warm air. The area was also covered with clouds, which also contributed to keeping the heat. And from the TV weather maps, I could also see that there was a persistent low pressure system in the area. If the low pressure system followed my student trend, then Kenai's temperature may have decreased by Sunday, and there could have also been less precipitation. And lastly, looking at the interior, you can see that the cloud coverage in the interior region appears darker, which indicates warmer clouds. Another contribution to the warmer temperatures could be due to the warm occluded front, which was moving north into the state. And this concludes my investigation. Thanks for watching.